Just that quick, guys, we're back. And we are continuing the clean. Only problem I got, guys, is I'm hoping that this thing don't grow back. This fungus mess don't grow back before I get to the dash. I mean, before I get to the headline. You know, this stuff grows back pretty fast. So, I'm gonna have to do something. Okay. So I'm gonna have to do something to, I'm gonna have to get to this headliner pretty quick. But we do not want to do this again. Especially quickly. Little piece of glass. Don't want to cut myself. Back seats are really nice. They are in good condition, so we don't have to touch these back seats. Don't have to touch these. Gotta clean this rag out. Clean this rag out. Yeah. Make sure that rag. Yeah. Clean that out. That is good enough for me. Okay. Good enough for me. Okay. That should be good. Let's continue. Let's continue. Can y'all see that? Is that sun shining too bright? Keep it going. Get it. So we can get this thing. See all the dust flying around in there. Okay. Oh, that's good. Okay. Yes, let's move it out the way. This right here is a piece that goes up under the hood. Let's get that out the way. Don't want to break it. Don't want to bend it. Don't want to do anything to that. Don't want to do anything to that, so. Okay. All right. Ugh. Nasty. So nasty. Ugh, so nasty. Ugh. Ugh. Ugh, so nasty. Ugh. Oh, man. Okay. Wipe that down one more time. Wipe it down one more time. Okay. That looks good. That's good. Okay, let's wipe the strap. Get the strap. All right. All right. Side over here. It's good. All right. That's good. I don't know how dark it's going to be in this car. But let's see. Let's adjust it. Adjust everything. Let's see how dark it's going to be. See if we can pick up some. Okay. All right, let's get this up. Let's get this side. I ain't even sprayed it down yet. I just went straight to them. Went straight to the fungi mold. Show them who's the boss. I'm the boss. That's the boss. Mold tried to stop me from cleaning my dash. Not gonna, not for taking the headliner out. No, I'm not gonna let you do it, mold. Fungi, allergy, whatever. Not gonna let you do it. Not gonna be able to do it. Not gonna be able to do it. All right. You see, we got him. Okay. Gotta wash these, wash my excursion because it's a wasp nest in there somewhere. It's a wasp nest. I don't want them to think they can come out and sting me. I should have got the water hose and blow them out before I came over here, but too far gone now. You got time for that. We too far gone now. Ain't got time for that. Okay. Ain't got time for that now. I ain't got time for that right now. Okay. Gotta get the back of that seat. Woo. Take a little break. Whew. All right. Let's get this door. Let's get this door panel. Forgot to get it. There's the rag out. We're gonna jump on. Quick. I have to hurry and get that windshield in this thing, man. I do not want to do this again. I do not want to do this again. Oh, do not want to do it again. Get out of here and get that windshield in. Oh, good. Okay, that's good. Over this window. Some could be on the window, I just don't see it. Probably can't see it with the naked eye. Okay, that's good. Oh, okay. Let's get the seat. Okay, let's get this seat. Get the back of the seat anyway. Get the top. Get it. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's get the volume here for us. Let's shoot some stuff on it. Okay. All right. That's good. That's good. All right. Yeah. That's how we gotta work. That's how we gotta work. Get it done. Gotta get it done. Okay. Get this over here. Get these seat belts. These seat belts are terrible. They're terrible. I hate to touch them. Hate touching them. I really do. Hate touching those seatbelts. Whew. Okay. I think we are done with the back. The back is done. Wipe it down one more time. Move these window wipers. The window wiper arms. Move those out the way. Okay, guys. See, look, I seen some of those green stuff coming back, guys. Already. Okay. Now this is only one left. Look at this. Oh, crap. Look at that. Okay. Wipe this through window. Wipe it. Like that. I have to find some plastic. Have to. Gotta find some plastic. Got some glass in here. I don't want to cut myself. All right, that's good enough. All right, guys. Again, we are down to the wire. So I'm gonna say the outro again early. Like they always say, like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can know when I post. And we'll see you again in the yard. Yeah, the true yard, baby. And I'm out. But I'm gonna keep working because let it run out on its own. Okay? Yep. Let it run out on its own. Alright, okay, good. Okay, start taking all this stuff out of here. Stuff should have fungus on it too. Let's get it out the way.